We are pleased to show you the 2026 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, LED headlights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.